what we need to do now is resolve this. So we need to get the two green sides of the triangle. We need to get those, right? Now, there is a shortcut for this, right? And I'll be honest, I still use it to this day. My maths A-level teacher told me it 10 years ago, and it works. So you've got two sides here. You've got side 1 and you've got side 2. You see that? Tell me, which side makes the angle 30?
1.
Yes. So the one that makes the angle, that is always the one with cos. So this one is W cos 30. Are you completely happy with that?
Yeah.
So what's this other one going to be?
W sine 30.
Are you completely happy with that?
Yes.
100%?
Yep.
Promise me?
Yep.
Good. All right. So here's what you can do now. If you're happy with that, a way to imagine, in fact, you don't need to imagine because this is the beauty of online learning. I can just copy and paste it. So there, that is now the same triangle. You see that?
Yeah.
Here's what we do. You take that
Yeah.
when you're ready, right?
Not really.
So you take that and you just pop it up here.
Right, okay.
That's why this one, and then, the size doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
So I can just move that along. So that's why this one, and I'll write it again, is going to be W sine 30. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And again, what you may say, okay, what's the point in this? The point in this is because now we've done that, look at what you can do. You can basically ignore the red one. So I'm just going to scribble it out. Right? You can ignore the red one because it's on an angle. It's all messy. It's no good. So get rid of it. And because we've copy and pasted that W sine one, and we've just put it in a better position, basically.
Yeah.
You watching this?
Yep.
We can get rid of that bottom one as well because we've moved it. It's in a better spot now, right?
Yeah.
But it's the same size, same effect. We just put it in a different position.
Yeah.
So now that diagram is much easier to solve. We can get rid of that right angle. We don't need it. And we can also actually now at this point get rid of that 30. We don't need it. We've used it. So diagram becomes much simpler. And then, of course, like I said before, the size of the arrow doesn't make a difference.
Yeah.
So now I can shrink it down because you said before, I just can't see where the triangle is. Hopefully now you can.
Yeah.
And now you can see why the two arrows look the way they do.
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yep.
Am I a great teacher?
Yes.
Awesome. Great. All right, then. So you're happy with that, yeah? Great. Okay. So and like I said before, right? That is a fundamental concept. If you're not very, very happy with that idea, you're gonna struggle to like access the harder questions because it's assumed at this point, right? You can do that. You should know that like the back of your hand, right? So hopefully now you will do.